Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps or games on your Windows computer. The first method is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. To do this, press the Windows key and type WS Reset, and then press Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear. After a few moments, the window will close on its own, and the Microsoft Store should launch automatically. Once the Microsoft Store opens, try downloading your app or game again and check if the problem is resolved. If the download is still not working, move on to the second method. Open Settings. In Settings, go to Apps. Next, select Installed Apps. Click the three dots next to Microsoft Store and choose Advanced Options. First, click Terminate to completely stop the app from running in the background. After that, click Repair. Windows will attempt to repair the Microsoft Store without removing any of your settings or data. Once the repair process is complete, open Microsoft Store and check if downloads are working again. If the issue continues, return to the same Advanced Options page. This time, click Reset. Keep in mind that resetting will restore the Microsoft Store to its default state. When it's done, open Microsoft Store again and try downloading your app or game. Thanks for watching.